To export your 3D views from Revit into BIM 360 Glue, you're going to want to go to your Add-ins tab located on the toolbar up here. By default, when you install Revit 2015, this BIM 360 add-in should automatically be installed. So you shouldn't have to do anything, it should already be there. In 2014, I don't believe it'll be there, so you will have to install that by going to the Autodesk website. So just go ahead and click on the glue icon, and it'll ask you to sign into Autodesk 360. So let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, and then once you sign in, it'll ask you which project you want to select. We only have Park Place right now on the 360, so go ahead and hit next, and then it'll bring up this box asking you which views you would like to export. So see, I want to do all my 3D views for glue in this that I already have set up, so let's check those. And also my all buildings. Okay, once you hit next, it's going to ask you what file type you want to save out as. And we want to use NWC files, but it does give you the option for DWF. Then you want to select the location in Glue of where these files are going to be stored. So these should be stored under the BIM coordination folder and located in the appropriate discipline. So this is the architectural model, so let's select that. And you can see I already uploaded these files before. You can see the date when they were last glued. Because this one's a new file, it's going to say new. But all these other ones, since I already exported them before, if you keep the name exactly the same, it's going to overwrite those files, and it'll give you, basically it'll notify you that it's going to overwrite those files. So go ahead and hit glue, and it's going to run the exporter as an NWC, and it'll approximately take anywhere between, for this many files, it'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes. So once you've finished exporting the 3D files to glue, it'll basically give you a notification in your email telling you that the files are gluing, and then you also get another email once the files are finished gluing. And once that happens, you can go ahead and open Glue. Let's go ahead and open the Glue launcher. It's going to ask you to sign in. Let's go ahead and open this full screen. So let's go ahead and look at the project. This is Park Place that those models were sent to. So you go ahead and select your project, and then it'll bring up the main screen or the menu. We want to look at those models we just appended. This should show you the history of the files that were uploaded. There's merged models right here, and then there's the individual models themselves. We want to look at that one. So I located those files I exported out of Revit in the BIM coordination. And these folders might change, but for now, we're going to be sending our 3D models to the BIM coordination folder. And under the architectural, that's where I sent those files. You're going to see all the different files that were uploaded. So we have the all building, we have building 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then, so that's basically all those individual files, and that's where you're going to find them. And then the merge models, that's where you're actually going to create the models and append all the different files individually. So let's go ahead and look at a merge model example in 360. I already created a building 1 merged, and basically that's going to have the individual model files that we just uploaded consolidated into one file. So we'll let it load. Okay, so here it is, and you can see off to the right in my selection tree. Let's click that off. So here's all the models I have currently merged into it, and you can see, you can control the visibility, But I have my building 1 and leasing model file. I also have the units, so we kind of turn those off. There's the units and the mechanical. There's just the mechanical on. So basically, that's showing you, how you can merge all the files together into one file by building. And let's just show you how to add more files. If I want to add another merge model, you click on this icon right here. It's going to bring up the folders. So let's say I wanted to add some plumbing models. Go to the plumbing, and then you're going to select the correct one. And you can also add even more. If you wanted to go to the electrical and add some more, you can do that all in one at one time. So click that and just hit add models, and that's how you merge models.